Okay. Uh, I'm gonna do the questions in your uh, new worksheet. So, question number one, they give you a DE equation, 2 double derivative, 4 derivative, 3 over 2y equals 0, and they want to know what the solution for this is. Of course, this is homogeneous. Anytime you have it looking like this, we consider this to be homogeneous. So we let m be y prime, then your m squared would be y double prime. So the first derivative we call m, and the second derivative we call double prime. So now this would be 2m squared minus 4m plus 3 over 2 equals 0. So you get a second degree function equals 0. Now to solve for this, we can use quadratic. So using quadratic, you know the quadratic is negative b plus or minus square root b squared 4ac over 2 of a. And as you know, a would be the first number, b would be the second number, c would be the third number. So negative of b plus or minus the negative 4 squared minus 4a times c, all of this over 2 of a. So you have negative 4, it turns into positive 4, plus or minus negative 4 squared is 16. This time this is minus 8 times this would be minus 12 over 4. So that's 4 plus or minus square root of 4. So we get 4 plus or minus 2 over 4. Meaning that first solution is 4 plus 2 over 4. That's 6 over 4, 3 over 2. And the second solution, you minus them, 4 minus 2 over 4. That's 2 over 4. That's half. Okay, now listen carefully. In this case, we get two real numbers different. So this is case number 1. Two different real solutions. When you get two different real solutions, we use this for the general solution. C1e, first solution t, then a constant e, second solution t. So C1, first solution 3 over 2, Second solution is half. So this is case number one when you have two different real solutions. Then in B, it gives you a question and it's more like case number two. So again, we let m be y prime, making m squared being y double prime. So this turns into 4m squared, 4m plus 1 equals 0. So solving for this, like the first one, we could apply quadratic if you want, or we can try and factor. I mean, the first one was because of the 3 over 2, it was hard to factor. This one you can factor by saying this is like 2m plus 1 times 2m plus 1. So there is only one solution. 2m plus 1 equals 0. 2m equals minus 1. M equals minus half. But it's a repeated solution. It's a real number, repeated solution. We consider this case 2. When you have the real number and repeated, the solution is you go C1 plus C2 T E, the solution T. So you go C1 plus C2 T E, and you put minus half of T. This is the solution to the problem. You can leave it as it is. Some people like to go this times this. And this time this. But it doesn't matter. This is question 1A and B. A was two different real solutions, and you applied this formula for the general. And question B was one real solution but repeated, so we applied this formula. In question C, you'll see when it's not real solution. But I'll do this in part 2.